Imagine launching your own business by tomorrow morning with $0 down. It sounds impossible, but with AI, it's within reach. In this video, we'll show you how free AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva can help you pick an idea, create products, and build a website all in 24 hours. Today's AI doesn't just speed things up, it transforms them. As one creator put it, AI didn't make me smarter, it made me faster. A script that takes 15 minutes. AI did in 30 seconds. Stick around to learn exactly how to use these tools step by step. Hi, I'm Amler. I was just like you, a beginner freelancer, a student on a tight budget wanting to make money online. I know what it feels like to think I can't start without money, but guess what? AI is changing the game. Right now, businesses of all sizes use AI for content and marketing. In fact, surveys show content creation is a top use case for AI in small businesses. If companies are leveraging AI to write articles and ads, you can too without paying a cent. Today, we'll turn those powerful tools into your personal business partners. Let's talk tools. ChatGPT. iWriter is your personal writer. It can draft blog posts, social media posts, or product descriptions in seconds. Because ChatGPT is conversational, you just ask it questions like, write a marketing blurb for my product, or give me an outline for an ebook about X. It instantly gives you content to work with. Canva is a free design suite with templates for everything. Logos, flyers, social posts, even full web pages. You can create eye-catching graphics and a polished website with drag-and-drop ease. For example, Canva now lets you build a simple one-page website in minutes, all without code. Free website builders like Wix, Google Sites, or HubSpot CMS let you publish a site for free. Wix in particular is famous for letting anyone set up a professional-looking website quickly. You don't need coding, just fill in text and drop in images. Even your voiceover and videos can be AI generated. For instance, Murph AI offers a free text-to-speech tool with 200 realistic voices in 35 languages. With no sign-up required, you can paste your script and export to studio-quality voiceover for social videos or ads. There are similar tools like Clipchamp's voice feature or VO that can create free AI narrations and quick video edits. Here's a step-by-step launch plan. Step 1. Pick a niche or idea. Open ChatGPT. Brainstorm business ideas. Ask, what are profitable online business ideas for 2026 that require no money to start? ChatGPT might suggest digital products like ebooks, printables, affiliate websites, or service gigs. Anything from selling yoga meal plans to online tutoring using AI notes. Pick one you find interesting. Step 2. Plan, create your product, content. Use ChatGPT to outline or write your offering. If you're making an ebook or a course, say, create an outline for an ebook about your niche. ChatGPT will spit out chapter headings or bullet points, then ask it to expand each point in minutes. You'll have draft text meanwhile. Use Canva to design search-free templates for an ebook cover, logo, or social post. If you picked an affiliate niche, also write a blog post or a product review with ChatGPT and design a featured image in Canva. Step 3. Build your website or store. Use a free site builder. Try Wix, Google Sites, or even Canva's website feature. In Wix, for example, the AI content generator can help fill your site with text ad pages like home, about products, services. Paste the AI-generated copy and upload your Canva designs. According to reviews, Wix is a quick, pain-free way to set up a professional-looking website. With Wix's drag and drop, you can rearrange sections without coding. Save and publish on the free plan. You now have an online home for your business. Step 4. Launch your offering with your product, content, and site ready. It's time to go live. Post on social media. You can even make short, AI-powered videos. Leverage free channels. Share on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or community forums related to your niche. For instance, one blogger used ChatGPT to turn Reddit advice into short TikTok stories using AI voices and got thousands of views. You can do the same. Use Murph to narrate a slideshow or find free AI video makers. Include your website link or affiliate link in posts. Every mention is a free advertisement. Even email marketing is free at first. Tools like Malcolm have free plans to send newsletters. Every tool we used has a free tier. ChatGPT's basic version is free. Canva's standard features are free. Wix's site plan is free with a branded URL, and Murph's voice tool is free. You literally have zero costs. Just invest your time and creativity. AI tools did the heavy lifting of writing, designing, and idea generation. You just guided them. Many successful small businesses get started this way, focusing on value, not capital. Surveys show that even with little budget, entrepreneurs are using AI to create content and marketing material. There's no financial barrier here, only taking action. It might feel crazy, but starting a business in 24 hours with no money is doable, and people are proving it every day. If I can do it, you can too. The tech is on your side. AI is not just for big companies. It's a free power tool in your hands. Pick your niche. Let ChatGPT write, let Canva design, let free site builders publish, and let AI voices promote. You'll be amazed how much you can achieve by tomorrow. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and build something. If you found this inspiring, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what business idea will you launch. Let's make the next 24 hours count and turn those AI ideas into real income. You've got the tools now. Go create.